I need your help. Do what I say, and we can avenge this massacre. My injured hand means I can no longer aim. But you will do it for me. Take my rifle and watch the road. Back in the car is General Heinrich Amsel, architect of Stalingrad's misery. He is responsible for the cold-blooded murder of men, women, and children. Not just here, but throughout the motherland. For 3 days, I have hunted him. For 3 days, luck alone has saved his wretched life. Sniping your enemy is like hunting any other animal. Fire at the wrong moment and your chance will be forever lost. Patience. If we reveal our position to Amsel's men, this fountain will be our grave. Now, load your rifle, but hold your fire. Wait until the bombers are directly overhead. The sound of their engines will drown out your shot. Ready? Shoot! Now! Again! Excellent aim. You are a natural hunter. Time to close in for the kill. This way. Shots. Armored patrol. We must find another route to Amsel. Stay low and follow me. This way, before they discover the dead. For days, I have crept through shadows like a rat. This place once echoed with conversations of friends and lovers. No longer. Mark my words, comrade. One day things will change. We will take the fight to their land, to their people, to their blood. This way. Knowing the routines and movements of your prey tips the balance of a hunt. General Amsel is a creature of habit. He inspects each German garrison every day. We can use this building to flank his route. Sniper! Get inside now! It's almost got me. We'll have to rush him out before we move on. Follow me! The shot came from across the river. There! The building with the banners! Now the game is cat and mouse. I will draw his fire. Keep your eyes open for the flag. Ready? Now! Third floor, left side. I'm going to draw his fire again. Get ready to take him out. Shot! Did you see him? He knows exactly where we are. I cannot risk it again. It's up to you to find him now. Stay out of the light. If he fires, move. It will
just a decoy! Stay focused! Second floor down! Right side! They spotted you! Get over to the window! He has you pinned! You need to take a different position! Good hunting! The patrols will surely have heard those shots. We need to get moving. German patrol. Let them pass.
Sowjetische Truppen!
They found us! We need to leave now! Hit the floor! They are trying to burn us out! Stay low! Try not to breathe! They are surrounding the building! Feindliche Infanterie! We must hurry! Move! Upstairs! Quickly! Before they are burned alive! Here, my friend! Take my hand! I need you alive! We need to find a way out! Armored car outside! Keep moving! Go!
Ja, mit dem Flammenwerfer. Verbrennt diese Russenschweine.
Dimitri, we thought you were among the dead in the massacre at the square.
He was. Among them, but not one of them.
We're about to assault the communication post north of here.
Good! Such a move will prevent the German command calling for help. Dimitri and I will provide cover from above. Wait till you hear the screams of dying Germans. Dimitri, this way! Up the ladder!
This way, comrades. Take positions and wait for the signal.
Hold your fire. Do you see the flamethrowers? You must choose your move.
Excellent aim, Dimitri! Give covering fire to our comrades below! More infantry! Cut them down!
Keep firing! Our friends below need cover!
Quickly, we must cut off his escape route! Move forward! Show no fear, comrades!
Sowjetische Truppen!
Follow me! I know a perfect sniping position, overlooking the command post. Hold fire!
We are too close to our goal to reveal our position. There is nothing we can do for our comrades. Their sacrifice will not go unavenged. The death of General Axel is just the beginning. Look ahead! The building adorned with flags is the German command post.
General Amsel will soon be in our sights. The sounds of battle will flash him out. Coward! There he is!
Sir, he's not alone. Put a bullet in his bodyguard's head. The Mudak is using the destroyed tank for cover.
Amsel is running!
You are a true mark. They will be coming for us. We must go quickly before their tanks fire again. Die! Into the river, Dimitri.
The Red Army's advance into Germany is swift and brutal. In mere months, we have reached Silo Heights, the last line of defense before the German capital. We outnumber the Germans 10 to 1. Wave upon wave of our infantry are unleashed upon them to clear the way for our armor. Once we have control of Silo, we will begin the march to Berlin. There, we will ensure that every sacrifice is repaid in blood.